The purpose of having the second summit here in Montreal is to give everyone an opportunity, one, to interact with one another, and two, to continue to drive our mission to transform the built environment.
We're not talking rocket science with green buildings. And that means applying what we used to know but we've forgotten in the last century. Putting windows in the right places, putting good insulation in the walls, orienting the building so that they take advantage of the sun and the wind that's all around them, taking advantage of free heat.
There's a significant gap right now in terms of the capacity in the industry to deliver off green. Not enough home builders know how to construct an energy efficient, water efficient and so home to a level of LEED that's acceptable. So there's a real need for training and understanding. The consumer doesn't really understand. They understand green, they want green, but they don't understand what it costs them and how it benefits them. And the realtors, so it's really the connection between the builder and the consumer. There are very few out there that actually understand green and know how to market it and how to explain it to the consumer. And for us, it is all about explaining to the consumers, if you buy green, you pay more, but there's also a financial benefit and there's a health benefit.
Conferences like this are huge. They help a lot. But frankly, the majority of people really need buildings, examples of buildings around where they are, that they can walk up and kick. And so we're now seeing, green building examples across Canada. And I think that's one thing that the Canada Green Building Council has done a huge thing with.
We need to reach out to every type of building, every little building, every convenience store, every service station, and every strip mall should also strive to be more green. And so therefore it shouldn't be reserved to only the elite of the building owners and managers.
The interesting thing is, as we see a change in the marketplace with energy costs increasing, with concerns around lifestyle and health, we're seeing even greater opportunity for innovation come into the marketplace and greater interest in investing in the innovation. CAGBC has seen a high volume of new players investigate how they can be part of the green building industry.
As a university, we have a number of opportunities to be a leader in understanding some of this technology. So not only studying it, but actually walking the talk and implementing it. And I think we have a broader community responsibility to bring this to our municipality and show that you can do this in an institutional application.
Well, frankly, I don't think that we're going to make the progress that we really need to make until our economic system ensures that those people who do good do well.
There's a good economic reason to do sustainability. A lot of people are concerned about the ecological impact that we're having, and certainly there are health benefits.
It's an ongoing cycle of continuous improvement. Sustainability doesn't really have an end point. It's a path, and that path requires constant kind of reinventing, coming up with new ideas and new technologies and new approaches, and it's the same with buildings. There's no end, but there's so much opportunity because the magnitude of improvements that can be made are staggering.